If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed by the complexities of buying into crypto pre-sales, wallet connections, endless token chains, high gas fees, or confusing interfaces, then it's time to meet Nexchain. Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another video on our channel, where today we are going to be dissecting this project that is basically the revolutionary platform that's not just making Web3 easier, but potentially changing the entire landscape of decentralized technology. Now, we are going to be diving into everything that you need to know regarding this project, as well as talking about some very important things that are ongoing that you guys are definitely going to find intriguing and I'm pretty sure want to be a part of as well. So we're going to go through all of that, but before we do, a quick disclaimer: we are not in any way affiliated with any of the projects that we review on the channel, so definitely make sure to do your own due diligence. Also, leave a like, subscribe, comment down below with your favorite thoughts and opinions at the very end of the video. And without further ado, let's get straight into it. Basically, currently recognized as 2025's hottest crypto presale with a projected 30 times upside, Nexchain is emerging as a true game changer and an ideal entry point for investors looking to position themselves ahead of the next big crypto wave. Now, at its core, Nexchain is a layer 1 AI-powered blockchain meticulously built to address the current pain points in crypto by fusing next-gen AI, post-quantum security, and sustainable tokenomics into a lightning-fast, ultra-accessible ecosystem that's already turning heads across the entire industry. Now, here's why Nexchain is becoming the talk of the crypto world. So first and foremost, the project introduces AI-driven smart contracts. Contracts that don't just run autonomously, but intelligently adapt the real-time data and user behavior. Think of them as smart contracts 2.0. Capable of performing complex logic and evolving use cases the traditional blockchains simply can't support. Now, apart from that, Nexchain runs on a DAG, DAG Architecture, which enables it to process an eye-watering more than 400,000 transactions per second, absolutely crazy, putting even the fastest layer 1s to shame. Now, this speed is enhanced by Nexchain's ability to scale horizontally and linearly, meaning the more users that join, the more efficient it gets. Absolutely crazy. Combined with ultra low fees, just $0.001 per transaction, and cross-chain compatibility with all major blockchain ecosystems, Nexchain becomes a clear leader not just in performance, but also in interoperability and cost efficiency. But the tech is just the beginning. Nexchain's presale is one of the most anticipated in the space, offering early investors access to tokens at a significantly reduced price before the guaranteed listing even goes live, potentially delivering massive ROI for early adopters. Definitely keep that in mind. Now, with a strategic and deflationary tokenomics model, a total supply of 2.15 billion tokens, and a clear allocation strategy that supports long-term growth and utility, including public sale, staking, community rewards, and development, Nexchain is not a pump and dump meme coin. It's a long-term play with real-world utility and strong fundamentals. Already, the project has raised over $3.4 million, and its community is expanding rapidly through platforms such as Instagram, Telegram, Twitter, their official blog on Medium, where key updates and announcements are shared regularly. So I definitely urge you guys to go and become a part of their community over there so as to not miss out on all the important things that are going on, such as new information regarding the pre-sale and so on, the other things these guys are having in plan for the very near future. So definitely make sure to go join them on there and have a lot of fun with it. Now, best of all, joining this pre-sale is so simple. Nexchain has removed the typical barriers with a clean step-by-step onboarding process. Just visit nexchain.ai, create your account, complete KYC for compliance, and choose from a range of accepted cryptocurrencies to participate. As easy as that. Whether you're a crypto newcomer looking for the best crypto to invest in, or a seasoned investor hunting for the top crypto presale or top crypto ICO of the year, Nexchain delivers a smooth experience backed by the kind of innovation that actually matters. With AI capabilities, future-proof security, unmatched TPS, and a forward-thinking ecosystem that's designed for both scale and sustainability, Nexchain is more than just another blockchain. It's a movement toward a smarter, faster, and more open, decentralized world. So, if you've been sitting on the sidelines wondering when and how to get started with crypto, or if you're looking for the next big opportunity that combines real tech with real value, the time is now. Nexchain is here, the presale is live, and the future is unfolding, so don't miss it. Having said that, that will be all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, definitely make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment down below with your favorite thoughts and opinions. Once again, don't forget to go give these guys a follow on all their social accounts, become a part of the community, stay up to date with everything that goes on, check out the presale as soon as possible. You've heard of all the benefits. Go see for yourself. Let me know how it goes, and I really hope to see you all in the next video.